We all actually know how it feels when you are uploading videos but not getting any views. YouTube is not recommending your videos. You will definitely feel stuck. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get YouTube to recommend your videos. So let's get started. So the first step is creating videos people actually want to watch. By default, some niches have low search volume. There is nothing you can actually do about that. So YouTube only recommends videos that people are actually interested in. So if your topic is too random or personal, there are some niches that no matter how you try, the search volume will still be low. So the views on those particular niches would actually be very low. So your first step is actually making videos in niches that people actually want to watch, or niches that people are actually interested in. So I wouldn't want to actually tell you the niche to choose. It's actually left for you to decide. So that's that. The number two is improve your title and your thumbnail. This part is very, very important. Even if your content is great, no one will actually watch it if your title and thumbnail don't actually grab their attention. Sometimes people watch videos because the thumbnails are so good and the title is very good, and to spark curiosity, you will definitely come down and watch the video to actually see. So if your thumbnail and title are shitty, definitely you're not going to get that attention on YouTube. Let's for instance say you actually travel to Dubai for a vacation and you want to make a vlog of your travel to Dubai, and you are saying my trip to Dubai. Why not say top 5 things to do while in Dubai, or top 5 places to visit in Dubai? Top 5 places to visit while in Dubai will actually get more recommendation than your trip to Dubai. So you got to understand how to actually title your video. And another thing is, you don't actually use some part of the video as a thumbnail. That would actually make it very shitty. So you can design a thumbnail for yourself. If you don't know how to design a thumbnail, you can actually pay a graphic designer to do it for you. If you don't have the money to pay a graphic designer, you can actually use tons of AI tools available to design it. ChatGPT can actually do it for you at a go. The number three is make sure you actually hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds of the video. YouTube watches how long people stay on your video. If they leave early, YouTube stops recommending your video. So you have to actually make your video and your intentions in the video clear for your viewers in the first 10 seconds. So you have to start your videos by saying what the viewer will learn or gain in the video, and not wasting unnecessary time introducing irrelevant stuff and all that. So you have to actually avoid wasting times with long intros about your day. So you have to get straight to the point immediately. People in this generation actually have a low attention span. But another thing is actually posting consistently. We all know that there is no way you can actually make it here on YouTube without being consistent. You actually need to show up every day. So it doesn't mean that you would actually be posting every day. Far from it. You can actually schedule your content. Maybe you can be dropping one content every 4 days, every 1 week, depending on your schedule. But you can actually have YouTube recommend your videos here by posting probably once or twice in 3 months or some kind of thing like that. You can actually make it here. So definitely being consistent is important everywhere, not only on YouTube. So you got to be consistent to actually get that recommendation. And it's very difficult for more especially young YouTubers who are on here looking for a way to grow, to actually compete with those bigger channels. The only way you can actually queue in is to hack into the recommendation feature, because most of the searches, when you are selecting your keyword, there are so many people, like thousands of people who've actually made videos on those particular topics, and you can't actually rank better than them, because most of those videos now have much comments, much views, and so many other features for ranking than your own video. So there is no way you can outrank them on the search feature. So the only better alternative is to hack into the recommendation feature. This video actually helped you. Subscribe for more tips. I will make another video where I will actually take my time, maybe a longer video, to actually explain how the YouTube recommendation feature actually works. Definitely I will do that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.